Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that describes someone who is under pressure or facing constant difficulties: beleaguered. It might seem a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is beleaguered. Let's break it down. First, we have BIH, which sounds like bit or big, but with a short I sound. Next is li, which rhymes with C and is the stressed syllable. Then comes gur, which sounds like gur in burger. Finally, D sounds like the D in dog. Now let's put it all together: beleaguered. Try repeating after me: beleaguered. Now a little faster: beleaguered. And at full speed: beleaguered. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Beleaguered refers to someone or something that is surrounded by difficulties, often feeling harassed or overwhelmed by challenges. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce beleaguered and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.